Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer USDT from Delta Exchange to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will help you move your USDT safely and efficiently. With platforms like Delta and Binance evolving, it's crucial to stay updated, so let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Delta Exchange account. If you haven't already, verify your account for smooth withdrawals. It's a quick process to avoid any hiccups. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Assets section and select USDT. Now, click on Withdraw and choose the network you want to use. For 2025, options like Tron or BEP20 might be popular for faster, cheaper transfers, so pick the one that matches your Binance setup to prevent any compatibility issues. Next, you'll need to grab your Binance deposit address. Log into your Binance account, go to the Wallet tab, select USDT, and hit Deposit. Copy that address carefully. Double-check it because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Back on Delta, paste this address into the withdrawal form, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details, including fees. Fees can vary, so aim to transfer amounts that make sense for your budget. Hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. Depending on the network, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, check your Binance wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets secure in this fast-paced crypto world of 2025. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Delta to Binance. If you follow these steps, you'll be trading in no time. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.